Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect a hardware wallet to MetaMask. First, make sure your MetaMask extension is installed and updated. Next, plug your hardware wallet into your computer using its USB cable. Unlock your device and open the Ethereum application on it. This prepares your wallet for the connection process, ensuring smooth communication between your hardware and MetaMask. It's a crucial first step for enhanced security. Now open your MetaMask extension in your browser. Click on the circular account icon located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Connect Hardware Wallet. MetaMask will then present you with a list of supported hardware wallet brands. Choose your specific brand, such as Ledger or Trezor, to proceed with the connection. This step initiates the pairing process. After selecting your wallet brand, follow any on-screen prompts on your hardware device to confirm the connection. MetaMask will then display a list of available Ethereum accounts from your hardware wallet. You can select one or more accounts that you wish to manage through MetaMask. Once selected, click Unlock to finalize the process. These accounts will now appear within your MetaMask interface, clearly labeled as hardware accounts. With your hardware wallet successfully connected, you'll see your hardware accounts listed in MetaMask. Remember, any transaction initiated through MetaMask using these accounts will require physical confirmation on your hardware device. This extra step provides a robust layer of security for your assets. Always double-check transaction details on your hardware wallet screen before confirming. For more great deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy the enhanced security and convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.